Did you know you can send potential jobs straight from a quotation into your scheduler in E-Max ERP? It's a great way to see how a possible job would fit into your current or future workload. Let's take a look at how it works. Start with any opportunity or quote that includes an item with a route behind it. Next, select the line you'd like to run Forecast MRP on. Go to Actions and select Utils. Then choose Forecast MRP to create the task you want to schedule. Use the Activities tab if you want to see the new forecast operations. Now let's head over to the scheduler, where we can see our current schedule. To add these forecast operations, open a plan and select Add Tasks. Search for the forecast operations using the opportunity number. Select the tasks to be added and OK. You can now view the operation on your plan. When we reload, we can see where that potential job would sit, as and when the opportunity becomes a confirmed order. If you'd like to know more about Forecast MRP in E-Max, please contact us through our website or social channels. Our friendly team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.